welcome back to my video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Well, today I'm going to go ahead and try to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. For those of you who are not aware of it, I'm going to try to do a full face of makeup in 5 minutes. This is going to be interesting. Hopefully I can do it. Let's get to it. I'm just going to go ahead and start wiping down my face from the makeup that I had on previously. I was at Disney all weekend. Definitely a place to go if you have kids, and not even just to go by yourself or with your loved one, anything like that. It's perfect. We were there the whole weekend because my son graduates from 8th grade, so that was kind of his little graduation present. And we went to 3 parks in the 3 days. Very interesting, a lot of walking, but overall great. Definitely recommend. The one we went to is here in Orlando, where I'm located. So I'm sure there's other ones, and if you've been to any of the other ones, like in California or Paris or China, comment below. Let me know which Disney World have you been to. It was really fun. They had a lot of different activities you can do. The food was good. Definitely want to plan to go again. Just maybe stay overnight, stay at a hotel or something, so that we don't have to do the commute back and forth to the house and everything. I'm just using a regular makeup wipe to go ahead and wipe down all the makeup off my face. Alright guys, I just finished wiping down everything off my face, and I'm going to go ahead and set a timer, 5 minutes. And hopefully this goes well, because I know I take more than 5 minutes to do my eyebrows. Let's do this. So of course we're going to go ahead and start with primer. I'm just mostly going to put it where I feel I want to cover my pores. I'm just going to go in with foundation. The foundation I'm using today actually is Wet n Wild. I'm just trying to get this evenly all over my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my LA Girl to do some contouring. Definitely try not to skip any of the steps that I do on a normal basis. Just a little bit faster. So yeah, so Disney was really fun this weekend, and I want to look into going into other places, probably like do travel, probably like a cruise or a vacation out of the country. I just don't know where. I told my husband that I wanted to go to Scotland a while back. Not sure if that's gonna happen, because he keeps mentioning Italy or Greece or things like that. So let me know which one I should do. I have this thing with Scotland that I've just been dying to go to. But who can pass up Paris, Italy, Greece, and all those things, right? Don't know how much time I have. Let's see. I think it'll be fun to go to those places, just learn the different cultures, taste the food, you know, seeing how everyone is and interacts and things like that. It's great to learn different things from different people in different countries, because, you know, everyone does things different. Everyone likes different things, and it's very educational, you can say. But I'm sure the food anywhere else is great. You know, sometimes we get so accustomed to what we're used to and what we're not. Just gonna go ahead and powder, do a little bit of baking. And I'm just gonna go in with my eyebrows. I don't have my brush, so 5 minutes is all I got. See how well I do. I normally don't do it with the powder, but for today, well, I normally don't start with the powder. I usually do the pomegranate from Anastasia and then go over with the powder. But being that I only have 5 minutes, see how well I do. Oh. Under pressure, just not working. My eyebrows, I have such thin eyebrows at the end that it's always a hassle. The timer went off. Okay, so this was truly an epic fail. 5 minutes. All I was able to do was do my foundation, a little bit of contour, my concealer, bake, and an eyebrow and a half. This challenge is definitely hard. So it was an epic fail. I mean, there's no way a girl can look pretty and look her best in just 5 minutes. Not gonna happen. Even if I was gonna go for a more natural, subtle look, a girl that don't have that much eyebrows has to get at least the eyebrows in. This foundation that I use is not even full coverage. It's Wet n Wild foundation, the Photo Focus. I got at Walmart for like $5. I would say it's a medium coverage, so I had to put a good amount on my blending, my little blender here, and do one side and then put a good amount and do a whole nother side, just so that it could get the coverage, mostly what I like and what I desire. But as you can see, this was definitely a fail. I cannot get ready in under 5 minutes. There's no way. I at least try to give myself at least an hour before. I want to make sure the makeup is on good, and then look at, you gotta do your hair too. Like, I didn't have time to do this hair. Over the weekend, like I told you, I was in amusement park to amusement park. I just washed it, didn't even get a chance to straighten it. So, you know, there's a lot that a woman has to do to look her best, especially when she wants to go out and feel good and things like that. So definitely the 5-minute challenge was not for me. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and be a part of my little happy family here. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.